Would you believe someone spent $14 million on a vehicle with a rooftop helicopter, a private sushi bar, and facial recognition just to open the front door? It sounds impossible until you see it. Today we're counting down 5 double-decker motorhomes so extreme they make private jets look basic. Number 5, the Cyberliner Titanium Edition, $8.5 million. Built on a lightweight carbon fiber chassis, its liquid titanium paint actually shifts color as sunlight hits it. Step in through a fingerprint scanner and you're greeted by heated Italian marble floors and an AI climate system that reads your body temperature. A 90-inch OLED screen rises silently from the floor. The kitchen rivals a 5-star restaurant complete with a robotic arm that handles the dishes. Take the glass elevator upstairs to a bedroom where the bed rotates to follow the sunrise, then step out onto a teak deck with a private hot tub, powered entirely by solar wings that unfold the moment you park. Number 4. The Kenworth W900 Apex Overlander, nearly $10 million. Engineers took one of the most iconic trucks in American history and turned it into a 2-story fortress. Inside, hand-stitched leather walls and an onboard AI assistant named Atlas manage everything from the lighting to your morning coffee. Climb the spiral staircase to a sky lounge with a laser projector and soundproof glass. Then comes the real surprise. Press one button, and a hydraulic lift beneath the chassis reveals a hidden electric sports car, because apparently one vehicle just wasn't enough. Number 3, the Horizon. 360, $10.2 million. This one is built for the sky. The entire upper floor is structural smart glass that switches from crystal clear to full solar blackout with a tap on your wrist. Up top, zero-gravity massage chairs, a digital aquarium wall, and a drone landing pad for aerial scouting. Downstairs, a spa-grade master suite with gold fixtures and a rainfall steam shower. And it runs on a hybrid hydrogen-electric engine good for over 900 miles, silent and surprisingly eco-friendly for something this extravagant. Number 2, the Mercedes-Benz Supercruiser. Vi-12, $11.5 million, 60 feet long, and when it parks, the sidewalls slide out to expand the living space by 40%. Step into a foyer with real marble and crystal chandeliers inside a vehicle. There's a floating fireplace, a self-cleaning dining area, and a rooftop deck with a cocktail bar, a fire pit, and a 6-person jacuzzi under a motorized canopy. Worried about security? It comes with thermal drone surveillance and a panic mode that turns every window instantly opaque. Number 1, the Elysium Terra-Cruiser, $14 million. The undisputed king. Facial recognition unlocks the door. Inside, an automated sushi bar, a holographic workspace, and a private VR theater. Upstairs, a suede and copper sky lounge leads to the roof, where a sunken glass infinity jacuzzi sits beside a retractable helipad with an actual helicopter attached. It isn't a motorhome anymore. It's a mega yacht that happens to have wheels.
Hot tub steaming, solar panel wings